Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we don't just review beauty products. We dive into the science behind them, the real-world results, and the beauty secrets they hold. Today, I'm excited to share something that promises to change the way you think about body washes, Dove's Serum Body Wash Hydration Boost. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably tried dozens of body washes that promise hydration, but this one claims to actively drench dry skin. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This body wash isn't just your average shower gel. It's part of Dove's line of dermatologically tested products, formulated with 6% hydrating serum and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is known for its ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, so it's no surprise that it plays a starring role in this formula. If you have dry skin, you'll be familiar with the constant battle for moisture. This body wash promises to lock in hydration, leaving you with skin that's not just soft, but deeply nourished. As you work the product into your skin, the creamy formula transforms into a velvety foam that fills the air with a fresh, dewy scent. Think soft florals mixed with a hint of that just out of the shower freshness. The texture is smooth and luxurious, almost like a treat for your skin after a long day. Now let's talk about performance. I've been testing this body wash for a few weeks now, using it both in the morning and evening routines, and here's what stood out. First, the lather is rich and creamy, so you don't need a ton of product to cover your body. I've noticed that it's super gentle on the skin, unlike some body washes that strip your skin of its natural oils. My skin felt hydrated right after rinsing, and the hydration lasted. It wasn't just a quick fix, it truly held up throughout the day. One thing I appreciate is how Dove really focuses on clinically proven ingredients, co-creating this with dermatologists to ensure it's not just effective, but safe for various skin types. This is especially important for anyone dealing with sensitivity or dry skin, as the formulation is designed to soothe and replenish without irritation. Let's get into the pros and cons of this product. On the plus side, it delivers on hydration. My skin felt moisturized even after towel drying, and I didn't need to apply a thick lotion immediately after. The scent is subtle but refreshing, which is a nice change from overpowering fragrances that linger. Plus, the texture is heavenly, a perfect balance of creaminess and foaminess. On the downside, I would say that the product is more on the pricier side for a body wash. However, given the added value of the serum and the fact that it actively works to moisturize dry skin, the investment feels justified, especially if you have skin that tends to feel dry or tight after showers. As for value for money, Dove's Serum Body Wash does provide good bang for your buck, considering the quality of ingredients like hyaluronic acid. The 18.5 felt odds bottle lasts a good while, and because you don't need much per use, it doesn't feel like you're going through it too quickly. Now, if you're eyeing a similar product, there are alternatives that come at a lower price point, but they might not have the same clinically backed hydrating formula. I'd say the difference lies in the luxury factor. You can definitely find hydrating body washes out there, but Dove's Serum Wash stands out because of the serum infusion and dermatological credibility. I have to say, the build quality is impressive. The bottle is sturdy, with a pump that dispenses just the right amount of product. No more struggling to get that last bit out. Dove also boasts eco-friendly packaging, which is always a plus in my book. As for customer support, Dove is a well-established brand, so it's not surprising that they have solid customer service. They're known for being responsive and helpful in addressing any issues or concerns. So, who's this body wash best suited for? If you have dry or dehydrated skin, this will likely be a game changer for you. It's not overly heavy, but it packs enough moisture to leave your skin feeling nourished for 24 hours. If you've got normal or oily skin, this may be a little too hydrating, but I'd say give it a try in the winter months when your skin craves extra moisture. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, let me hear from you. Have you tried Dove's Serum Body Wash? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing about your experiences, and it helps the rest of us make more informed decisions. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.